Fall. Hey all, Mark of the Trail here. As you can probably guess, I'm doing this intro from after the hike. The morning of this hike, I met this English girl in a hostel, and it was supposed to be raining all day long, and she basically said that her friend referred her to some hikes that would not really have a threat of flash flooding. So Manoa Falls is a very touristy hike. It's really cool, so there's not going to be much talking in this one because, you know, she's always there, and I don't really include people on my YouTube videos, and, you know, I never make people uncomfortable, right? The hike comes first. All right, here's how it went.
That's like the name of the child of the...
the series?
Yeah.
Oh, so what I was telling you to find, that's, you know, you've seen that.
Yeah.
Right?
Tropical paradise we're walking into.
This is exciting. I'm so happy it's not raining right now. So there was one of those in Maui.
Trees are
and it was
freaking
like,
huge. Sure.
Okay, so stick put on it.
This is awesome. Manoa Falls.
I saw loads of reviews online that was like, just pay.
Just pay, yeah. Impressive fall. It is a rainforest. Oh yeah. We're done. Trying to find our way out of the rain. So that was fun. There's a lot of people out. And, you know, Hawaii is a weird place. It's raining, it's spitting, you're wet, but it's still like plus 27, so you're still warm. So it's kind of an interesting place to go hiking in the rain. Anyway, like I said, a lot of people were on that trail. It was a fun trail. And, you know, she's a fun girl. So, yeah, get out there and hike.